Lesson 93 in a series of 100. And this one I wanted to go to the real book again. I got the mini one here out again and go to the song Scrapple from the Apple on page 369. I'm holding the mini one up to the stand here, up to the thing. I will try and hold it steady so you can take a screenshot if you want. Good luck with that. Now, I wanted to point this one out. It's a complicated bebop song by Charlie Parker that goes on the rhythm changes idea that I did a whole lesson on earlier. Rhythm changes. Rhythm changes is based off the song I Got Rhythm, I Got Music, I Got You. Who could ask for anything more? It's a pop song. I don't know what year that came out. And bebop guys in history, as I mentioned in the lesson before, would take this, they'd steal the chords from another song that's popular and jam over the top of it without even bothering to play the melody. And then some of the recordings they do would, somebody historically would write them down, and that's the melody. Maybe they learned it, I don't know. Let me play the melody to Scrapple from the Apple by Charlie Parker. That's the A section. And it comes around the second time and got a little more of an ending. Then, so it's A section twice, like all rhythm changes are. It's very diatonic stuff. 2, 5, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. All this is very diatonic stuff. So anything in F major would be just fine in this song. When it gets to the bridge, though, it goes to the 3 chord, and it's a major chord. It's not in the key. It goes to A, very fiddle friendly. All right? If you want to throw in the flat 9. For some sizzle. Then it goes to the 5 away from that, D. You can throw the flat 9 in. Then it goes to the 5 of that, G. And then a C. And notice there's no melody written there because they would always, every time, just jam the bridge. They didn't even bother. And then it comes to the A section again, which is the same melody. Same as the second ending. Da-ba-doo-da has a strong ending. They would probably rehearse that a little bit. So check out Scrapple from the Apple. The A sections are nothing but the F major scale. And the bridge is that rhythm changes 3, 6, 2, 5, back to 1. That's a good example, and it's a friendly key, even though F is not the favorite key in the violin because, you know, you got some harder fingerings with B flats and stuff. The bridge is super easy. A, you can't go wrong with A, D, G, and a C brings it around back to F. And throw in the F blues scale on top if you want to be sound a little funky. So check out Scrapple from the Apple. I did a recording of it 25 years ago. Maybe I'll try and find that and share it. I did a rock version of it. I tried to mix Stevie Ray Vaughan with this song. I thought it was kind of cool. Put distortion on the fiddle and stuff. I'll see if I can share that somewhere. But anyways, have fun. There's an entry-level rhythm changes song, Scrapple from the Apple by Charlie Parker. You could give it a try.